everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm creating a very easy glam makeup look. Even the beginners can create this makeup look. It's very easy, it's very good technique so that you can get ready glamorously in no time. So if you do like my channel, please hit the like button. I'm going to create my next video on the sheet mask, so don't forget to subscribe my channel so you will be updated. So let's get started creating this beautiful glamorous makeup look. I'm starting my makeup look using a face cleanser, because whenever you do a makeup, always remember to clean your face properly. You can either clean your face with the wet wipes or you can wash off your face with the face cleanser. Next, I'm going to use a light moisturizer. It's an NMF serum from SOROCI. Always use a light moisturizer or a primer directly, because my skin is really dry, so I prefer to use a moisturizer. So next I'm going to use this SPF. It's from Huda Beauty. It's broad spectrum SPF. Always remember, when you go out in the sun, use SPF, because SPF is something which protects your skin. Under your makeup, always remember to use SPF on your face and neck properly. Next I'm going to use a BB cream. It's a SOROCI BB cream. Instead of foundation, I'm using a BB cream because these days it is very hot and it's very difficult to manage the foundation outside, even though you use the makeup fixers. But here I'm not going to use a makeup fixer today, so I'm just using a BB cream just to give a very natural and subtle glam look. Use your BB cream or foundation on your neck as well. I'm blending my foundation gently with the foundation brush. You can also use a beauty blender. Always remember to moisturize your lips before using a lipstick. Next I'm going to use a concealer. It's Idune Minerals 2-in-1 concealer. Remember to, whenever you apply concealer, remember to apply a 2-shade concealer. This will give you the exact natural look what you are looking for. Blend it gently with using a beauty blender. You can use the concealer under your eyes, corner of the lips, or wherever you have a dark spot. Next I'm going to use a eyeshadow from Huda Beauty. It's a rose gold palette remastered. I'm starting with the base with this color Suede. I'm applying this color Suede all over my eyelids as a base color. At the corner of my eyes, I'm going to apply the henna color. It's a very beautiful color and gives me such a subtle look. Blend it gently with the eyeshadow brush. I have this pointed beautifully eyeshadow brush which actually helps me blend my eyeshadow very well. Next I'm going to use this cocoa color, because this color is actually dark and it helps me creating a beautiful line. Just to fill the inner corner of my eyes till the midline, I'm going to use this beautiful sparkling color Dubai. So this color is actually a bronze sparkling color, which actually will give a glam look to my eyes. You can use your finger just to take the pigments of the color well and place on the eyelids, and just smudge with the brush. You can see how beautifully eyes has done. Next I'm going to do my brows. So first I will color my brow I will fill the gaps of my brows. Always remember to put a very little color on the brow, because if you put a very dark color on the brow or very too much color on the brow, you may end up look like a Shinchan. So you don't have to be a Shinchan and just give a natural look to your brow. Smudge gently the color with the brush. Next I'm going to use an eyeliner. It's a pen eyeliner. Its tip is very interesting. It's a pointed tip eyeliner. I have got this eyeliner from Miniso. It's quite cheap, just 10 dirham. So you can also buy from Miniso. Be patient when you do your eyeliner. Don't sneeze. Otherwise your eyeliner might not come out like how you have planned. You can see how beautifully small winged eyeliner it is. I love to apply a winged eyeliner, whether big wing or a small wing. It depends on the occasion. I'm done with my eyeliner. Next product I'm going to use is a mascara. I never go out with a mascara. I'm applying the mascara directly on my eyelashes. Even though it's a glam look, but I'm not putting a false eyelashes today. I wanted to create this glam look very simple way so that the beginners can also create this glam look. The next product I'm going to use is a bronzer. If you really want to create a glamorous look, always use a bronzer on the cheekbones. And smudge it beautifully with using a foundation brush. You can see how I'm doing it. The next product I'm going to use is a blush. This blush I'm going to apply the apple of my cheeks. This is a peach color from Idune Minerals. It's a beautiful blush which gives a very fresh yet cute look. The next product I'm using is a 9 to 5 Lakme lipstick. This lipstick is shade Sunday Rose and it's a very beautiful lipstick. I have this lipstick from last 8 months and it's almost going to finish. I love this lipstick actually. So here's my glam easy makeup look. Even the beginners can create this look. If you like my video, if you like this look, please share, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends who wants to create a natural yet glamorous look. Hit the like button, comment if you have any question. In my next video, I'm going to review all the face mask which is according to the skin type. So stay tuned, subscribe my channel so you will be updated. Hit that bell button so you get the new updates from my next video. Bye.